Hey, it's Clay Trading. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today, and really just a very nice overall chart. So I want to just map out a couple levels of support, and then we can talk about some areas of resistance. So first level of support, I'll actually need to squish up the chart here a little bit just to make it more sense. But let's get that level mapped out, and then we can talk about more so the big picture level of support. So like I said, let's squish things up here a little bit. There we go. So actually, I'm taking a step back. The ideal level of support, I mean, hey, Clay, best case scenario, if the price can hold up above 0.024, that would make the chart look the most powerful. But by no means am I saying that if the price falls below it, that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But if the price can hold above 0.024, that would be a big sign of power. Next level of support after that is this previous resistance level, which a foundational rule in charting states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that's 0.02. So at 2 cents, you can see back here, just time and time again, kept knocking the price back down, In fact, right there, knocked it back down. But then today, when the price did get above it, which you can see on that candle, the next couple candles right there, you can see a beautiful example of the resistance now acting as support. So 0.02, another new level of support, but definitely even more so than 0.024. But again, if 0.024 can hold, then that would be a great kind of symbol of power on the bull's part. From the big picture of things, though, a very simplistic way to look at all this is in regards to that purple line. I realize that it seems irrelevant given it's way down there and the price is way up there. But that is a 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So like I said, simplistic viewpoint, as long as the price remains above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? For this, I'm actually going to go to a new time frame just because I want to try to make this as easy as possible to see. So this is a good problem to have, though, when we have to go back this far into a chart's history. Wow. Maybe it's just essentially a blues. All right. There we go. So current level of resistance, is that where it got rejected from today? I am talking to myself. 0.03, so that makes sense. If you look back here, you can see 0.03 rejected it on a couple of occasions. After 0.03, though, if the bulls can push through there, next level of resistance up there at 0.03, about 0.036. So 0.03, 0.036, next couple levels of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it. Very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.